What's up, you guys? It is your boy PrettyBoyFloyd, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about my new mattress that I just got from Lull. I think that's how you pronounce it. You guys know how I do with these brand videos. I never know how to pronounce the fucking brand, but we're just gonna say Lull or Lull. But anyways, I just got it in the mail yesterday. I just got this big box in the mail. All you have to do with this mattress is just put it on your bed frame and it just expands and it just blows up into a full-size mattress. I got the full size because that's what my bed is. It's a full-size mattress. As you can see, not too big. I still got some wall space in my room. Yeah, it's right there. I'm actually gonna show you guys some clips of me and my sister bringing it upstairs into my room and assembling it.
Hey, yo, Asia. Hey, come set up my new mattress.
Set up your that shit in the box. I can't hold it.
Yeah. Alright.
Scissors. Well, you gotta take this one off first. Hey, what you want me to do? Get the mattress or the dog?
The mattress. F the dog.
I know you are not using my cuticle cutters to cut this right now.
Hey, this is urgent. Flip the box.
Your dog almost died. Your dog literally almost died because she's so fucking. She's so stupid. Because she's so freaking stupid.
Alright, I'm about to put the dog in the box.
She needs to put herself.
Where's she pee?
She need to be in there.
Alright, is it me or does this look small?
Why? Well, I mean, it's compressed AJ's in the bag.
I mean, it needs to be wide enough.
It don't look wide enough, but like.
Oh, it's upside down, right? Yeah. Oh, stupid.
It looks good. It's good.
Cool. You know how worried I was?
Wait.
Yeah.
I'm like sinking.
I'm living lavish.
I'm like sinking.
Because it's memory foam, stupid. So we just brought it in here, open up the box, and then we cut open the plastic wrap and it just inflated by itself. Now this does take 2 to 5 hours to start expanding, and it fully expands within 24 to 48 hours. This mine has expanded that full 48 hours, and I honestly can tell you that it's the most softest mattress I've ever felt in my life. I've never had the luxury to sleep on a memory foam mattress, and now I do. So thank you to the people at Lull, because this is like, I just never thought I would be living lavish like this, you know what I mean? Sleeping on a memory foam mattress, and it feels very, very soft when I lay on it. Yeah, their mattresses are less expensive than other like traditional mattresses that you would go find at like the Mattress Firm or Mattress Warehouse. I used to sleep on this, you know, just a regular basic mattress, no memory foam or anything like that, but you know, just a spring mattress. And the reason why like this company came in so clutch is because there's actually sort of like a hole in my mattress, more so like a dip, I guess, just because it's been worn out. I've been sleeping on that mattress since I was like 7 or 8 years old. So, and I'm 22 now. So, yeah. Big thank you to the company for giving me a new mattress. Definitely, they gave me something that I never thought that I needed, you know, so definitely thank you. My mattress, a full size, was only $700, and you guys can actually save $150, and I'm going to give you guys a special discount code that is going to appear right here on the bottom of the screen. You guys can use that discount code and it can save you $150. Before I end this video, I just want to mention that Lull does give a 100-night trial. So within those 100 nights, if you don't like it, you can always return it, and the returns are free. The shipping is also free, and like I said, the shipping was like really fast. Ordered on Monday, got it Friday. I mean, you really can't beat that, especially for a mattress. Make sure to use my discount code. I'm not trying to promote it too much, but I'm just saying $150 off of a mattress. I mean, you really can't beat that. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Everything about Lull being in the description box, the links, what mattress I got, and the links to their website, the discount code, all that would be in the description box. So just go into the description box, click on that, and yeah, you should be good to go. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I think that's it. I think I covered everything. So I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.